Hi all, I will walk you over SAP Assignment 5. So please download this data from here, the TXT file, and save it in your My Documents. And then this is the assignment. So this is social recommendation on predictive analytics. This exercise shows how you can consume transactional data to build links and communities between purchased products and consumers. You take these links of consumer behavior to build communities of products that are bought in a similar manner. After the patterns of product purchases are determined, you can score the results out into a database, offer them to a complex event processing service like NetFever, or present them to a multi-channel campaign management system like SAP Hybris. The product recommendations are based on natural consumer behavior and product communities. Therefore, the uptake of offers is higher than using other traditional market basket analysis techniques like association rules. Okay, so log on to SAP Predictive Analytics. Click on social, click on create a social network analysis, build a social graph from a data set, and map your data set from here. Okay, so my data set is here. So go to your My Documents and find your files from there and then go to Next. Here click on Analyze and you can see in the lower pane the data. You can also click on View Data and see the data from here. Close it and then we just say OK. Now here give it a new name and we will call it social last name. So I choose my last name, you choose yours, and graph creation type is transactions, source node is member ID, target node is product, and I believe the rest are as it is, and then you just add graph. Here we will choose the derived graph, and so we have the graph to derive from is the graph that we have just named, social last name, and in the entity we choose product. Okay, and the minimum support is 2. Now setting the minimum support as 2 means that products will be connected together if there are at least 2 people buying them. This is the support of the link. You can increase this if you choose, but for this problem we will leave it at 2. So click OK to continue. At this point we don't need to change it anymore. We just have to click on Next to continue. One more time, another time, and then summary of modeling parameters. Okay. At this point you can see that the graph type is transaction, dataset is given, we are linking member ID and product, and so it shows us the summary of the parameters, and then we just click on generate. Just close this. So we get to the training the model overview. Okay. So here SAP Predictive Analytics Social has identified the number of nodes and the links between them. and from here we move on to next, and we go to notes display. So for note, we will use the member ID of a customer, which is, say, for example, 31455. 31455, and I enter, and within display note I display it. So your social graph will appear in the workspace as it has appeared, and this graph displays all products bought by customer number 31455. So you can just, like, organize it properly to see all the products that this customer has purchased. Okay. So take a screenshot of this and paste it in your Word document, and this is your screenshot number 1. Now we will change the graph to social last name product. Okay, and we will change the note to Flums. What is Flums? Flums basically is a type of candy. So we go to Flums. Now I'll click on display note, and you will see that Flums is related to all these other types of products. And this is your screenshot number 2. You take a screenshot of this and paste it in your Word document. Now, in order for us to see how Flums link to other products, we can go to display note and then select display community from here. So take a screenshot of this. This is your screenshot number 3. You can see that the products that are bought with Flums are candy sticks and flying saucers. Now look at here. So Flums is in the same community with flying saucers and candy stick. Okay. In the previous screenshot, you will see that Flums many times is in the same basket with cola bottles and bubble gum and Tropicana Smooth and other products, but they are not necessarily in the same community. So even though these products are not in the same community, they can still end up being together in someone's basket. Okay, so this is your third screenshot. Now we will change graph to again social last name, member ID for the note set, and we will enter 31455, and then we will display note to show the graph. So I'm just arranging it so that I can read better. So this note has 15 links. The question which is asked of you is that which product does this customer buy that is not part of the same community. Now if you look into this, you will see all are breakfast items other than this one. So basically this, you take a screenshot of this and this is your answer. From here we will want to carry one more analysis of this data. We click on to previous, go back here, go for recommendation, and then enter the member ID, which is, we are dealing with 31455, so we will put in 31455, and we will just leave all the default settings, and top 5 recommendation we are going for, and just we go for get recommendations. So now take a screenshot. This is your last screenshot. These are the top 5 recommended items for member ID 31455, and you will see, look into this, these are mostly all breakfast items. Okay, so you have seen now how you can take a simple transactional file and use SAP Predictive Analytics Social to conduct link analysis. You link product with customers and can derive graphs that link products to other products based on how many customers have brought them. This is your assignment 5. Thank you.